CBFI 20 plus 30 ton 2x machine project display. This is a 50-ton 2x plant located at the coast area of North America. The ice-making water is filtered by a reverse osmosis system. The ice plant uses CBFI 20-ton and 30-ton 2x machines. Total daily capacity is 50 tons. CBFI 2x machine adopts an independently developed semi-flooded system design. Ice tubes are uniform and aesthetically pleasing and are slow melting. Unique heat exchange system design improve the speed of ice removal. The production capacity is more than sufficient. Use bits or refrigeration compressor stable operation and high efficiency after-sales service is guaranteed. Integrated structural design effectively reduce the occupied area, save valuable floor space for customers. Its installation process is simple and quick. Just connect to water and electricity. It can be put into production immediately. The 150-ton ice storage room ensure that the ice factory can provide ice at any time. CBFI possesses professional capabilities in equipment manufacturing and scheme design. Provide customers with a one-stop solution for ice production.